Meaning, a heart that trusts in God rather than on our own capacity. Because that is what is happening now. Kaya po ba napakadaming problema? Kaya napakadami nating takot? Kaya napakadami nating pangamba? Because we realize hindi pala sapat ang magtiwala lang sa ating mga sarili. And so God is inviting us to have the heart of a child, a heart that is full of trust, trusting in the providence of God.